In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show subitem column summary and parent items in Monday.com. First, open Monday.com and head to your home view so you're starting from the main dashboard. From here, look to the left side navigation and go into Workspaces. Workspaces are where your boards live, so this is the quickest way to jump into the right place without hunting through different pages. Choose the workspace that contains the board you want to work with. If you're just getting started and don't yet have a board set up, click the plus icon in the sidebar and choose Board to create one. A simple empty board is totally fine for this walkthrough. The goal is just to have a place where parent items and their subitems can live. Open your board. Once inside, find a row that will act as your parent item. Next to that item's name, click the small arrow or chevron to expand it. This reveals the subitems nested beneath the parent. Think of subitems as the smaller tasks or data entries that roll up into the larger parent task. Now, the magic of summaries happens right in the parent item cells. For supported column types, Monday.com can show a subitem roll-up value directly on the parent row. For example, a numbers column can add up all subitem values to show a total at the parent level. Time tracking can sum log time across subitems. Status columns can reflect a progress overview, such as how many subitems are done versus still open. Depending on your setup, formulas can compute based on those subitem values as well. When this is active, you'll see a clear summary in the parent items cell, giving you an at-a-glance snapshot without opening each subitem. If you don't immediately see a summary on the parent item, check a couple of quick things. Make sure the parent actually has subitems and that those subitems contain data in the column you're looking at. Confirm you're using a column type that supports rollups, like numbers, status, time tracking, or compatible formulas. In many accounts, the summary display can be toggled in the column settings, so your team may already have it enabled, or you may need to adjust that preference. When you're done reviewing, you can collapse the parent item by clicking the arrow again to keep your board tidy. That's all it takes. Expand the parent, view the subitems, and let the parent row summarize the details for faster, clearer reporting.